Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's so important to have a nice big clear mirror in your bathroom.
And I'm so glad I found this 20 by 26 medicine cabinet mirror by Keonjinn. This was so well packed and protected. It was also extremely easy to put together. I was able to do it all on my own. You can choose which side you want the door to swing open. I like how it has the option of putting it in the wall or just hanging it on, depending on your preference. And my husband helped me just to balance and hang it up. The door closes so softly on its own, and the image quality is just amazing. Because of its size, the storage capacity was so much. It was easy for me to not only be able to stock it, but to stock it in sections for tooth care, beard care, skin care, and anything else I could think of, and still have everything roomy and easily to grab when I'm ready to use it. When I'm up in the morning, needing to get ready, it's so easy to just swing open. I can get everything I need, my toothbrush, toothpaste, floss. It's so convenient, and I love the clarity that you're able to really see everything you need to do to look your best in the morning. Because everything is so smooth, it was easy to clean up. My husband is able to grab anything he needs, and he doesn't have to worry about it slamming. He can oil up, put it back, and then he can manicure his hair and his beard. And because the mirror gives so much clarity, he's able to really see and get the look that he wants.
The image is so clear and gives me so much space. I love it. But that's just my point of view.